Hi there guys, thanks for stopping by. Jean here with more Mars anomalies, and we're going to be taking a look at some freaky geology and or intelligent design found on Mars. It's in this HiRISE photograph. NASA describes it as the fault in our Mars, and it's in the northern Meridiani Planum. I hope I've pronounced that right. Guys, here's the first one. Look at that there. We've got triangular shapes, what looks like pyramids. There it is close up. We've got one triangular structure there and another one over here, guys. And look at the way they're being placed, sort of almost at 90 degrees to one another. So what do you guys make of that? Could that be type of a monument? I don't know, guys. Have a look at the next one. It's over here. There's this fault line that runs through these ridges. Look at that there, guys. It almost looks as if there are rectangular entrance ways over here. I know they probably aren't, guys. I'm just speculating. This is what they look like. They look almost like hangars, entrance ways to hangars, but I'm not saying that's what they are. Just speculating, guys. Look at this over here. We've got another odd looking structure over here. The fault line runs through here. But look at the way this sort of structure is formed. It looks as if there's a wall running across here, very thin, narrow wall. Another wall over there, perhaps, guys. And then we've got this circular feature inside there. This is what it looks like close up. So we've got that funny, I don't know what you could call it, disc shape there, and this round opening or structure here, guys, and it runs off. It looks like in that direction. There's like a wall perhaps over here as well, guys. It just looks highly irregular, and I'm not sure how this would actually form due to a natural process. It just looks as if there's some geometry and structure to this, guys. Could be wrong as always, just speculating. Next one over here, guys. Look at these, I don't know if you could call them dunes, but it looks like these triangular shapes. Look at that, guys. It looks as if they're sort of almost standing up straight. They could be lying flat in this area on the surface, but it's really difficult to tell, guys. And look at these here. This just looks pretty weird as well. Look at that. It looks as if this is like a spectrum analysis. Looks almost like a readout on a spectrum analyzer. Look at that, guys. Looks like a graph. But anyways, so what could have produced this? That's very odd. Look at that there as well. It looks as if these are structures. Okay, let's have a look at the next one. Guys, it's another very narrow, looks like a wall. I'm not sure how else to describe this thing. I've got a brighter version of it where I looked at this area here, guys, and it looks like this here. The surface features are the same on both sides. So what the heck could this be? It's very, very straight, narrow, and quite tall. And we've got a little dome shape there. Anyways, guys, here's another thing. It looks like a worm. It's got a roundish sort of shape there. This looks more like a dune. I don't know what that could be, guys. Could that also be a dune that just ends abruptly over there in a sort of a right angle, 90-degree flat face? That's what it looks like, guys. Here it is close up. So we've got this very narrow, straight, uniform thing sticking up over here, guys. So yeah, what do we make of that? And then lastly, guys, we've got this here. It looks totally out of place. It's this little triangular object over there, guys. It seems to have sand or dust lying on top of it, and it just looked very out of place to me, guys. There aren't any others similar to this in this photograph, so I just thought I'd show you guys that. Speculating as always, could that be an entranceway, guys? Okay, so let's have a look at the NASA page. I'll include the URL in the description below. So this is the image here, the low-res JPEG. So this is where that fault line runs through. There's another one here. This is a very interesting area, guys. I think if I had to choose a place to go and check out, it might be here. Just look at this. Intriguing. So, this is an image taken in the northern Meridiani Planum. I hope I've pronounced that right, guys. I downloaded the JP2 black and white map projected file. It's not too large, only 176 meg, and it's also a pretty high res image, guys. 50 centimeters per pixel, 2x2 binning. So if you get a chance, check it out, guys. Really interesting photographs. So to the new subscribers that joined recently, thank you for joining, and I hope to bring you many more. And to my old faithful subscribers, thanks for tuning in again, and I'll see you in the next episode.